Write the equation in standard form. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out what type of conic section it should be. We have an x squared and a y squared. They're both the same sign, and they have different coefficients. That means it has to be an ellipse. So the final form should be something like this. It should be x minus h quantity squared over a squared plus y minus k quantity squared over b squared equals 1. And the a and the b could switch, but those aren't really that relevant as to how the equation is going to look. So I'm going to take this equation and I'm going to reorganize the terms. 8x squared minus 48x plus 5y squared plus 20y plus 52 equals 0. So I'm going to factor out an 8 from both the x squared and the x terms. So it'll be 8 and then times x squared minus 6x plus, I'm going to factor a 5 out of the y terms, 5 times y squared plus 4y. Then I'm going to subtract this 52 to the other side, equals negative 52. Okay, let's figure out what needs to go inside the parentheses to complete the square. X squared minus 6x. Take the 6 divided by 2 is 3, squared is 9, so plus 9. Now we have to add 8 times 9 to the other side of the equation also. So this is going to be plus 72. And then plus 5, then times y squared plus 4y. 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, so plus 4. And we're adding 5 times 4, so we add a plus 20 on the other side of the equation. So this is going to equal negative 52 plus 72 plus 20 over here. So this is going to be 8, and then x minus 3 quantity squared plus 5, and then y plus 2 quantity squared equals negative 52 plus 72 is 20, and 20 plus 20 is 40. Okay, it's almost done. Now the ellipse equation has to be equal to 1, so I'm going to divide everything by 40. So the 8 and the 40 reduced to 5, so it's going to be x minus 3 quantity squared, and then divided by 5, and then plus, and the 5 and the 40 reduced to 8, so it's going to be y plus 2 quantity squared divided by 8 equals 40 divided by 40, which is 1. So there you go. There's your equation for the ellipse in standard form.